What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. On this episode, I'll show you how you can give the gift of a stock to one of your loved ones, particularly a kid. Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm Ramel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We discuss mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources to help you on your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We produce new content every week. Also, we're a new and growing channel, so anything you can do to support us is greatly appreciated. All right, so the holidays just passed, and I got a really cool gift over the holidays, and I thought that I'd share it with you because it's a cool gift, but there are some caveats or some warning signs that you should know about this. And that gift is Stockpile. Stockpile is actually a really cool service that allows you to give the gift of stocks to one of your loved ones. And what's great is that they actually have a custodial account that allows kids to make purchases on the account, but it gets managed by an adult. However, I thought it was a cool idea because I was always looking for a way to give stocks as a gift to my younger brother or to one of my other loved ones. However, I didn't know of any services that would allow me to do this. So it was really cool actually when we got this gift card as a gift. This it was actually for my daughter. If you didn't know, I just recently had a kid. Now she's around 5 weeks old, and it's been a lot of fun. And this gift was actually for her. So let's talk about this. Stockpile is an investing platform similar to a lot of the other ones out there. Robinhood, Fidelity, all of those other stock platforms. However, there's a big caveat. This is really geared towards beginners. And I say that because there's not that many options in terms of what you can invest in. Yes, you can invest in stocks and ETFs. However, you're not really available, or you're not able to invest in mutual funds, bonds, options, and cryptocurrency. So you are kind of limited into what you're able to invest in. But for beginners, stocks and ETFs are a great place to start. All right, so let's talk about one of the caveats about this, and that is the fees. Stockpile has many different fees. I'll throw a quick screenshot up here just to show you guys how many fees there are. But to start, there's a gift card fee. So if you're buying a gift card for one of your loved ones, then you're actually going to pay a fee to actually buy the gift card, similar to how you would on one of the Visa Vanilla gift cards. But it is another fee that you'll have to purchase, you'll have to buy. Apart from that, buying stocks actually has a cost to it. So your first stock actually has a fee of $3.99 for each additional stock after that. If you are going to use your credit or debit card account, there's another 3% fee that they tack on to your purchase. All right, so buying stocks is 99 cents per trade, but also selling stocks is 99 cents per trade. If you do want to try to avoid the 3% fee, then don't use your credit card or debit card. What you'll want to do is link your bank, and they'll ask for routing and account numbers, and you just enter that. In a couple of days, you'll get some micro deposits that you'll then have to verify before they can link your account to Stockpile. All right, then lastly, there's a whole bunch of other transactions that you can do in this app, or if you want to, cash a check, there's a $5 fee to cash a check. So you'll want to take that into account when you're thinking about the cons or the disadvantages of using Stockpile. All right, so let's talk about the interface and what you can do on this app. Well, just keep in mind this is beginner friendly, right? One of the big appealing things about this app is that kids can use it, right? Which is a game changer because, if you're a parent like me, I'm a new parent, I do want to start my kids early in their journey to start investing, and I think it's a great place to start, especially because, I can buy them gift cards for them to use and deposit money into the Stockpile account. All right, so in terms of charting and information, they do have charts, but it's not, it's not as robust as some of the other platforms. You can see daily chart, weekly chart, monthly, and then max. You're not going to see like 5 year, 1 year. charts, and you won't be able to see buying volume. So there's a whole bunch of limited information on that end. But again, this is geared towards beginners. So just, keep that in mind. The second thing is the stats. Not all of the stocks that are listed on here have all of the information that you might find on another app. For example, VTI is, the total stock market ETF. I know for a fact that it has a dividend yield, but it's not actually listed on this app. So if you are going to try to do some research on stocks or ETFs, I suggest, if you're going to do it with your kid, do it together with them using another platform, and then when they buy it, just make sure that they actually understand what they're buying. And I don't really mean, they don't necessarily have to know all PE ratios and things like that, but one of the things that you could teach them is that stocks that have dividends are basically passive income. So that's one lesson you could teach your kids when they use this app. All right, another really cool feature of this app is the Wishlist feature. And so this is really good for kids that, want to ask their loved ones for a gift through Stockpile. So they can basically write a message saying, hey, for the holidays, this is the stock I want. And they can just copy the link, send it in an email. The recipient will be able to open it. So for example, in the screenshot that I'm showing, I put an Apple stock, and you can see that the dollar amount is left blank because that allows the recipient to actually put in the amount that they want to give. And then at the bottom it says the gift is from blank, and you can enter your name there. And it allows you to check out, and that's basically it. So it's really good for kids to be able to ask people for stocks, which is cool because, stocks go a lot further than toys. All right, so that is a quick overview of Stockpile. Again, this isn't going to be the most robust platform. It isn't going to be the cheapest platform, but it's about the concept of this. It's about making stocks accessible. It's about being able to give stocks as a gift through gift cards. And it's about giving children or other people that are using the app the ability to ask for stocks as a gift. I think that's a really cool concept. Honestly, for me, I don't mind paying those fees to be able to make sure that my $50, $100, or whatever amount that I'm going to give is going towards an investing account, because that way I know that they're not just going to take that $50 or $100 and use it elsewhere. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Are you interested in this app, in this service? Are you going to be using it? If not, what are some other alternatives that you guys have thought about? Again, financial education is very important, and I really want to set my kids up in the right path to make sure that they understand how to invest their money. This is one of the tools and resources that I'm going to be using and implementing to help them on their journey. When my kid starts getting to that age where they understand how to use the computer, then I'm going to, show them how the app works, and then basically tell them that on each birthday you have to do your research and request a stock from me, and then I'll put the amount that I want to put. But the underlying concept is they need to know how to invest. They need to know the companies out there, and they should have a general idea of what those companies do. And I'm going to try to make them give me an explanation as to why they want to invest in that stock. All right, guys, so quick recap. Again, I know this is probably not a new app for you guys, but I really like it. So quick pros: easy to use, kid friendly, and you can use this Wishlist feature to ask someone for stocks. Some of the cons include it's oversimplified. There's a lot of fees, and there's not access to that many types of securities. Again, like I mentioned, there's no bonds, there's no mutual funds, and there is no cryptocurrency. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I know it's been quite some time since I made a video, but I really appreciate you guys for sticking around and showing some love. Again, if you didn't know, I just had a daughter, and I made a TikTok for her. Right now, she's actually doing pretty well on TikTok. We have 8,000 followers, which is crazy because that's a lot, right? 8,000. So I'm going to make a separate channel for her and the family. I'll leave a link somewhere in the description once it's created. But just want to give you guys an update on where we are and this really cool, Stockpile app that I came across. Lastly, I'd like to give a shout out to Jim. Jim was actually my brother-in-law's coworker that gave us this stockpile gift. So without you, I wouldn't have known about this option of investing. So thank you so much. If you'd like to connect with us on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave links in the description down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.